And essentially, every time it measures this error and it adjusts itself, it's called and it happens millions of times across the entire data set. And then basically, over time, the model is going to get better because it just keeps iterating. And in AI language, each of these iterations is basically called an epoch. And through this iteration, all those dials and switches and those connections between the neural networks are basically tuned in a way that it can now produce accurate predictions based on the patterns that it's seen. And then after that, you test it. You give it data that it's never seen before to check that it's genuinely learned something rather than just memorizing the training examples. And that process is called generalization, the ability for the AI to apply what it's learned to new situations that it wasn't trained on. So again, the whole process of machine learning, feeding the data, making predictions, measuring the error, adjusting, and that's the long and